Alright, time check natin. It's 1:56 in a lovely afternoon. Shout out to everyone. Welcome to Bigo Live Philippines. And we are live streaming simultaneously sa aking YouTube channel. So if you want to check it out, Mix Derulo ang aking YouTube channel. So maybe let me sing something different for you. Alam niyo ba yung kanta ni yung Rasputin? This song is actually quite naging famous sa TikTok, no? Yung Rasputin na kanta. Shout out to everyone. Lovely afternoon. Ayan, nag-alis. Naghang kasi yung ating Alright, shout out to everyone. Let's do this. Let's try yung Rasputin. Alright. Something different for us to sing for this lovely afternoon. Rasputin, guys. A certain man in Russia long ago. He was big and strong in his eyes of flaming glow. Most people look at him with terror and with fear, but the Moscow chicks, he was such a lovely dear. He could fix the Bible like a preacher, full of ecstasies and fire. But he also was a kind of teacher women would desire. Rah, Rasputin, lover of the Russian queen. There was a cat that really was gone. Rah, Rasputin, Russia's greatest love machine. He was ashamed, now he carry on. The Russian land and never mind the charm, but the culture he danced really on the ball. In Oracle of sake, he was the man of please, but he was real great when he had a girl to squeeze. For the queen, he was a real dealer, thought he heard the finger down. Said, believe he was a holy healer, he would heal her song. Rah, Rasputin, lover of the Russian queen. There was a cat that really was gone. Rah, Rasputin, Russia's greatest love machine. He was ashamed, now he carried on. But when his drinking and lusting and hunger for power became known more and more people, the demands to do something about this outrageous man became louder and louder. Just got to go, hilarious enemies. But the lady is bad, don't you try to do it sweet. No doubt that Rasputin had lots of freedom charm. Though he was a brute, they just fell into his arms. And one night some men of bystanding set a trap they need to play. Come to visit us, they kept demanding, and he really came. Rah, Rasputin, lover of the Russian queen. There was some poison into his wine. Rah, Rasputin, Russia's greatest love machine. He drank it all and said, I feel fine. Rah, Rasputin, lover of the Russian queen. They didn't quit, they wanted to say, Rah, Rasputin, Russia's greatest love machine. And so they shoot him till he was dead. Oh, those are Russians. Alright, diba? Something different for you to sing, no? Alright, this is Mix D, your sexy cowboy, B. Kumanta ng Rasputin. Alright, shout out to everyone. Hope you enjoyed that one.